Hi, this is Scoggett. This is part 2 to the previous video on the thunderstorm rolling into Tornado Alley, Texas. And tell you what, the wind is really getting up. I'm just going to take a little bit of these clouds here and pan around. Got a big thunderstorm right here. What's brewing up. Like I say, about 30 minutes ago there was nothing, and now we have this happening, which I love it. Don't get me wrong, I live for this. Just really nice deal of the thunderstorms here rolling in. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to start moving towards the house. This right here is a view down here on a tobacco road, the road to the poor farm. This is what we got building around here. And you can hear the thunder. I mean, it's really coming up. And I love it. I live for this. This is Scoggett, and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to go ahead and go inside. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.